Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add outline to your videos while still have the background on your videos using the CapCut PC. So here I have this video added to my CapCut PC, and to start you can just copy and paste the clip. So there are two like this, and let's hide this the first video, the main track, and now click on the second video and go to the remove background under the video here, and I'm going to just use this auto removal, and now you can just really add the outline that you want. So this is the result. Here there are lots of options that you can select to add outline. You can just choose based on your preference. So I'm going to, for example, add this solid stroke here. If you scroll down, you can also change the color of the outline like this. You can just choose which one that you want for your stroke. So I'm going to just use the white color. And you can also adjust the size of the outline and also the opacity. So after this, you can just unhide or show the track here. And you can see you can still have the background and also outline. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye!